Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable notifications on Discord Mobile. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, you'll be able to see a couple different options to disable those notifications. If you're in a server, for instance, Trevor's server, I can always tap on it and then tap on notifications here, and I can choose to disable or turn off those notifications only for the server, that specific server, if I have a server and I don't want to get any notifications for those. However, there's a bunch of other options to disable those notifications as well. Let's say I wanted to mute the notifications for 24 hours or something like that. However, in addition to that, I can also disable notifications by tapping on you at the bottom right and then tapping on your name. After you've done that, you can see online status. If I switch this to do not disturb, I won't get any notifications on here about messages and conversations because essentially I've set it to be not disturbed. However, if I wanted to, I can also disable those notifications by tapping on the gear icon and then scrolling down until I get to notifications. You can see get notifications within Discord, as well as activity notifications, messages, status, trending, all that stuff. You can choose to disable any of these if you didn't want to be bothered when you're in Discord, or even when you're outside of it on your iPhone or Android, you didn't want to see those pop-ups. However, keep in mind, by going through all of these steps, you can fine-tune it, but there's another option to completely disable all notifications on the app. And to be able to do that, let's head into the settings of your iPhone or Android. Tap on notifications here, and this is where all of the notifications live for your entire iPhone or Android or whatever device you have. Keep in mind, you can disable it on an entire app basis, essentially meaning that you won't give Discord the ability to enter in any notifications. So if this is turned on, all you need to do is completely disable this. And now, no matter what, you will never get a Discord notification until you choose to turn that back on manually if you would like to. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.